Hi, my name is Rosie Gill, and I'm the Director of Education at Milk Street, and this is Milk Street at Home. I have one simple way to make your holiday cookies better. Toast your flour and your spices. This way, you're taking ingredients you're already using and you're transforming them to make a better dessert without having to reach for another ingredient. You can toast any flour, all-purpose flour, almond flour, rye flour, wheat flour. You just want to toast it until it's 2 to 3 shades darker than it is raw. I do it in a skillet, and in the last minute, I put any spices that are also in the dessert into the skillet with the flour. That way they also develop more intense, savory, nutty flavors, and the whole dessert becomes much more aromatic, a little bit more grown up without really having to do anything extra.